All right, there's the view outside in Allendale right now. It shows that we have some wet surfaces out there, a couple of drops continuing to come down. Also get a look in Grand Rapids where you can find that we have a messy situation. We've had some rain and snow as we've gone through this evening. The culprit for this, an area of low pressure which is spinning over Lake Michigan right now, fairly close in proximity to Green Bay as it spins toward Traverse City. And again, you can see that we have some different colored bands of precipitation coming off of that, mainly in the form of rain at the moment. However, as we zoom off further to the north, you can find up toward Big Rapids and also Mount Pleasant. We do have some snow that is coming down there, and you can find that that is going to continue to pass across West Michigan as we go through tonight with some colder air coming in. Right now, our temperatures are posted up between 30 and 40 degrees for most locations. 40 right now in South Haven, 41 Kalamazoo. We have a temperature of 33 in Big Rapids. Meanwhile, it's 32 in Mount Pleasant. So where we have the coldest conditions, that's favoring more snow in that tilt of mixed precipitation. There you can see that the wind is pretty fierce out there. We have some gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour, even hitting near 50 in Kalamazoo at 49. And it does look like the wind is going to be accelerating through the night as that spins to the west-northwest, continuing to punch in some colder air. So gusts are likely to range between about 30 and 40 miles per hour for most locations in West Michigan tonight. And it's going to take a while for that wind to ease off later in the day tomorrow. With that in mind, we are going to have the snow coupled with that pretty strong wind, and with that in mind, winter weather advisories are going to continue for points to the north until 8 o'clock in the evening on Monday. About 2 to 4 inches of snow appears likely within that boundary. There could be some 6-inch totals approaching Big Rapids. We'll put things in motion here with Futurecast, and it looks like we will have a break in the action as far as the precipitation goes at about 1 in the morning tomorrow. A little bit of a rain-snow mix still clinging on toward Fremont and Big Rapids. The snow is expected to become heavier as we get into tomorrow morning and more widespread approaching the middle of the day. And then it looks like it'll fall apart later in the afternoon into the evening with a couple of areas of some lake effect snow bands, especially up north. And that's going to lead into some of those larger totals as far as the snow goes. Getting into Tuesday, it looks like we'll have the cloud cover break apart during the afternoon. We should expect to have a quieter pattern moving forward. As far as how much snow is going to be coming our way as you move to the south toward I-94, there could be a dusting. Here in Grand Rapids, 1 inch to 2 inches of slush, and then those amounts will grow as you move further north. Again, there could be some isolated half-foot totals near Big Rapids. Thankfully, this is all temporary. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures should be able to rise into the middle and 30s. 40s are coming on Tuesday and Wednesday, and temperatures will continue to graduate straight into the weekend. 61 on Saturday and 60 for next Sunday. Here's the 8-day forecast now. We should have some sunshine as we travel through the middle of this week. Rain chances are going to be with us next weekend, but again, the trade-off there, some warmer temperatures should feel nice. 50s and 60s dialed up.